you're watching this video, you probably already know that Autobacs is your one-stop shop for all your car care and servicing needs. But did you know Autobacs has been making high-quality products for the Japanese market since 1977? These Autobacs products have been available on the Japanese domestic market since the 70s, but only in recent years have they become available through Autobacs overseas stores and selected distributors. Products such as car batteries, engine oils, wipers, car care products, interior accessories, the list goes on. But in this video, I want to introduce our latest product, the Autobacs Fuel System Treatment.
Hello.
Hey, hi. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'm here to get my car serviced earlier than scheduled. I noticed that my car's acceleration is off and my fuel consumption actually increased drastically. Could you help me to check and take a look?
Sure, certainly. Follow me.
Thank you.
Hi, servicing has been done. I discovered some carbon buildup which could be the factor for poor acceleration and reduced fuel efficiency. I would strongly recommend using our Autobacs Fuel System Treatment as it keeps your fuel system clean, reduces friction, increases fuel economy and maximizes engine power output.
Wow, sounds just like the product I need. So how do I actually use this?
It's simple. Just bear in mind to pour the contents into the fuel tank before filling up at the petrol station. And one bottle treats around 50 litres of petrol. Start off by using one bottle of Autobacs Fuel System Treatment. Thereafter, you can use it at intervals of 5,000 kilometers.
Ooh, so anyone can just purchase this product and pour it by themselves without coming to a workshop?
Hi Haley, good to see you again. How's your car now?
Hi, good to see you too. After using this for around a month, I realized that my car becomes so much more responsive and there's an improvement in my fuel consumption. I read out about Autobacs Fuel System Treatment and I understand that it's actually made in Japan and formulated with the triple action formula. So what does that actually mean?
Our formulation has three powerful cleaning agents that are PA to clean injectors, PIBA to remove fuel contaminants, CO2 to improve catalytic converter function of lower emission. A car engine can only deliver its maximum power and fuel economy when its fuel system is clean and free of power-robbing deposits. With Autobacs Fuel System Treatment, it's all about the triple action formula to keep your fuel system clean. Now that I've covered the three cleaning agents, I want to mention about the friction modifier because it is the component that will provide you with immediately noticeable benefits. By lubricating the upper cylinders, viscous drag between the piston rings and cylinder walls is reduced, leading to lower fuel consumption, improved power and acceleration, and increased engine life through reduced wear.
There's truly so many benefits in such a small little bottle. Thank you so much for your explanation. Autobacs will always be my one-stop solution for my car needs.
In summary, Autobacs Fuel System Treatment keeps your fuel system clean, reduces friction, restores and in some cases improves fuel economy and maximizes engine power output. Use it regularly as part of your vehicle's maintenance routine. I use it in my 1JZ powered Mark II, we use it in this Lexus GS, and after you use it in your own car, I think you'll be impressed.